already.
No.
I'm the only one that listens to your stories, huh? Jesus.
Okay, cuéntale.
Tell mommy the story because I have to go to get ready.
Don't do that.
Okay, if you tell me the story, can I record you?
She's asking.
Can I take a picture of you while you're telling me the story? Okay.
No.
Oh, okay then. Okay, tell me the story then.
The halfling flash went to the bus and then went to the Krusty Krab and gets SpongeBob, you know. Gets SpongeBob and then they scream, you know. And then their eyeballs just go up and then they're scared.
Are you serious?
No, I'm not serious. I work all day at night.
You worked all day and night?
No, at night.
Oh.
And then I'm scared, and I went with Carla, you know.
Really?
Yeah. And then there was a light, just off and on and off. And then they was on the Krusty Krab, and then they're scared, you know, at night, and then the flowers up there was green. Scary.
Yeah.
Very scary because SpongeBob was in the Krusty Krab in the story, and SpongeBob was up in the wall, you know, and he climbed up and washing up there because they was dirty.
Who was dirty?
Huh?
The ceiling.
Oh, the ceiling was dirty?
Yeah, just up because he climbed up there with the up shoes, with the rope, you know. And he climbed like poof, 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 like that, a lot of noise.
Really?
Yes. Squidward was reading the book of the half-slinging slasher, you know.
Yeah, I know. What do you think you know a lot?
Because he was cutting Patty,
Oh, okay.
cut his hand, and just put the patty and take it to the customer.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
And there's a bad patty. They don't like it because they're papers, you know.
Yeah, I know.
SpongeBob doing the computer. And you go like, a lot